This 2022 Keystone Outback 210 URS Ultralight is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Keystone is 23 feet 4 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Camden interior, sleeps 8, skylight, self-contained, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, LP detector, DVD player, microwave, oven, air conditioning, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Outback 210 URS Ultralight is 4,900 pounds. This 2022 Keystone Outback 210 URS Ultralight. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.